Dad?
Easy.
Always busy. Mom?
Always busy.
Yeah.
Changing a diaper.
Yeah, she's changing a diaper. Oh, Zaza's pushing a little elephant, huh? Yeah. Mom? What does it say? Will you?
Make me sorry.
Later.
That's
Later, Zaza. Dad?
Please make me sorry. Not wanna Sasa gonna coming to.
Very good. Mom? Can we?
Go to shore. Not wanna Sasa going coming to.
Yeah, the baby's hungry.
Happy.
And we have to.
Go home. Where? Baby happy.
That baby's hungry. Yeah. Can I?
Oh, like that soon. Yes. Not for now.
Mom, I?
What a hug.
No.
Now. Why the baby?
Why don't you hug the baby? So I
Hug the baby.
and I
Push him
and I felt
and the towel.
he was nice.
See?
T. He was.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. He was nice. It was fun. When the baby tired, Mom put
Bed.
to bed. Then,
Got my hat.
and
I'll put them so